Integrator Media is at Gulfood Manufacturing with Mr. Joel Miranda, Business Development Director at Miranda Automation. How's the third day going so far?
So far, so good. We had a really, first 2 days have been excellent. Of course, third day, everybody's getting ready to head home. So I'm guessing the footfall has reduced a bit, but it's good. We had quality visitors, and that's something that we look forward to.
So what kind of feedback you are taking from this event?
Uh, there is a market out that is ready to grow, but current scenario and geopolitical scenario has kept things muted. But I think this is because of this geopolitical scenario and everyone's trying to grow. I think people are ready to go out and invest more.
Can you elaborate a little on the business that you handle?
So we handle ingredient handling systems for major bakeries, biscuit companies, as well as bread manufacturers. Some of our major clients in India are Britannia, Parle, ITC, and they've been growing at quite rapid paces in the last 5 years. And as you can see by the biscuits in the market, the variety that they're coming out, we are responsible for most of it. And I think major chunk of it passes through our equipment. So that's something where I would look in terms of branding and markets moving up. Yeah.
So as you mentioned about variety,
Yeah.
so I think the variety that is needed in every country is very different.
True.
Yeah, so how you handle that?
So from an ingredient handling system, it doesn't change too much because the main ingredients are all the same. It's only the recipes changing, and we need to just calculate what their requirement is accordingly and input that into the system. And most of our equipment's kind of very simple, so the client itself handles these things. And taste, like you said, taste in many industries changes. In fact, for example, in India, we have a lot of sweet and salty tastes. Like I've traveled to Mozambique and South Africa, where they've got stuff that's even salty and without sugar. So, I mean, all equipments have to be designed in that fashion to take care.
So as the people's opinion are changing, they are shifting towards ingredients that are more healthy. So do you have to face that challenge?
We face it to some extent, but not entirely, because we are capable of handling any ingredient. So our forte and our USP is that we are customized, so we are much better suited for the market today.
So coming towards sustainability, as you handle all the ingredients and you travel it across different countries, so how do you make sure that the supply chain is sustainable?
So what we've seen is that from our perspective, we try to reduce wastage in terms of usage of these ingredients. Now, from an equipment manufacturer point of view, the only sustainable thing that we can do is give them something that works efficient. So energy is not wasted, manpower is not wasted, ingredients are not wasted. And that's something that we have been working on, and we have achieved to quite an extent.
So as you have been a part of Gulfood Manufacturing for the last 5 years, so how important is this event for the company?
I'd say it's one of the top events that we do, and it's something that gives us good exposure to the world. And Dubai being quite central in terms of connectivity, we have a lot of people coming in from Africa, the Middle East, as well as some Asian countries also, and actually Eurasia also quite a lot. So that's a very good exposure for us, and that's the reason why we are here. And we do others also in Europe as well, but this is one of the most important exhibitions for us.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks.